What's up, guys? It's Sunday, and this coming Thursday we have the new release of the DJI Action 5 Pro. Here I have the 4 with me. I love it. I've had it for about a year now, so this is fantastic. It's great in low light. It does everything I want it to. It's a great dash cam. It's a great low light camera. It's a great camera in general. Great stabilization with the rock steady. Love it. So it really begs the question, what could do better in the Action 5 Pro? And not only Action 5, but Action 5 Pro. Why are they giving it that Pro nickname? So I do have a few things here that are rumored to come out, just in case you were wondering what to expect. These are the verified rumors that we're hearing. First is a 40 megapixel camera instead of the 10 on the Action 4. That is a huge jump. Really excited about that part. Next is 4 hours of battery life. So I don't know if the batteries are going to be bigger or if they're just going to be used more efficiently, but 4 hours of battery life is really, really good. So 1 second, I'm at the drive-thru, so I need to pick up my food real quick. I'll be right back with you. False alarm, the guy in front of me is getting his food, and I thought he was about to pull off, but I guess they have some more for him. Let me roll up my window so that you maybe won't hear the sound of the cars bouncing off the side of the restaurant. Anyways, so 40 megapixel camera, 4 hours battery life. I'm trying to hurry just in case it's my turn to pull up and I don't have to stop this again. Up to 960 frames per second to support slow motion. That's going to be huge. That's a really slowed down video. 960 frames per second. I can't wait to see that. That's going to be awesome. They are promoting something called night mode, which kind of makes me wonder because the Action 4 already has an enhanced night mode kind of thing where it'll drop down to 8-bit to kind of compensate for that processing power, and it does really well for what it is. But I've also heard one negative related to the night mode. It will not have the 1-inch sensor that a lot of us were hoping for, kind of like on the Pocket 3, which is what I'm shooting on right now. It's going to have, rumored to have, the same 1/1.3-inch sensor as the Action 4. So how they're accomplishing night mode is kind of interesting to me. It's going to be interesting to see what that means. And then lastly, they're advertising 64 gig of built-in memory. So you're still going to probably be able to put in an SD card, which obviously, because 64 gigs is not very much in 2024, soon to be 2025. So I guess it's just that little bit of icing on the cake. So you get a little bit, maybe that's where the Pro comes in. It's not only external storage, it'll have a little bit of its own. We just saw that with the DJI Neo, that I believe it has 22 gig on its own. So maybe that's the new thing for DJI, is they're going to start including built-in memory, which is kind of a change of pace. But anyways, the official announcement is September 19th. I'm really excited to see what rumors came true, which ones didn't, what things were not leaked and are going to be coming to us as surprises. Sorry, I see they're about to finish giving this person their food. But anyways, again, that's the DJI Action 5 Pro coming out this Thursday, September 19th. Check back with me and let me know what you think of it. Drop down in comments, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Love you guys. Bye.